Hi everyone, this is Healing Soul. Welcome you all guys. Let's check in today for Libras. Sun, Moon, Rising or Ascendant, you can follow every sign. Even if you're cross watcher, welcome so much. Welcome on this channel. You can watch this sign for your partner or for yourself. Anyhow, take it as it resonates, as it's a general reading. It's not your personal reading, so things may resonate or may not. So take it what resonates with you and leave the rest behind. Okay, I have an Hindi channel also. You can check out my description box for my Instagram link, for my Telegram group, and for YouTube you can check out my Hindi channel also. Okay, so let's dig into Librans. Seven of Pentacles, the Moon, Ten of Cups, very nice, Librans, the Hierophant is here, Sun, very nice, the Lovers, Queen of Cups, Queen of Pentacles. Okay, Libras, my darlings, bottom of the deck we have Ace of Pentacles. You are going to get an offer. You are going to get an apology from this person. This person wants to say sorry to you, want to apologize for their mistakes or for their things hiding from you. They have been hiding something from you. They have kept secrets from you and now they want to apologize for the same towards you. Okay, they want to say sorry. They are into deep thoughts about their mistakes. They are regretting their mistake. They know what actually they have done and what they have messed with, so they are now aware of it and now they want to apologize for this situation what they have created. Librans, you might be dealing with Leo, water sign also, and earth sign also, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio also. Taurus is also strongly present over here, so maybe Virgo you might be dealing with, or Scorpio. I'm feeling the vibes I'm feeling for Scorpio also. Okay, so these are the signs which I'm seeing right now. The person, let me tell you, loves you to the moon and back. Okay, they want to have a stable relationship with you. They want to offer stability towards you. If they might have left you all in the cold just because they were busy with their finances, career, for the same thing they might have not talked to you, spoken to you since long, but now this person has realized their worth, your worth, and now they are like now they are manifesting you back in their life. Now it's the time that they want to make this relationship official, social. Now they want this to go with their family. They want to build a strong family with you. Also, they are ready to take this relationship to the next level with having their families and your families involved. They want to make it long-term relationship with you. With the Queen of Cups, they want to offer you their love, but now they are afraid to do something. In sort of some point they are afraid, like they find you very stable, very grounded, very calm and quiet, and a very stable person, a very matured personality they find you. They feel like you're very much into your career, you're a very stable person. They find you into very high regards. Libras, my dear, your partner is in deeply, mostly eternally, insanely in love with you. You might be twin flame. Your connection is divinely guided. Angels are present over here. Your divine is protecting you. Divine is protecting your signs, your connection. You might be getting some hints or some like signs from divine or from universe. they are towards you. Universe is already guiding them towards you. Okay, this might be a twin flame connection for few of you, not everyone, but this might be. You feel a very strong soulmate connection with each other. Your vibes are very much positive towards each other. Though they might have tried to forget you when they are into their work, they are busy into their work, but let me tell you, you run into their thoughts. You run into their thoughts continuously. They can't stop thinking about you. They are obsessively thinking about you. Okay, they love you so much that you have so much of positive impact on them. They are, I think you might have met them at a workplace or something like that, for few of you. Okay, let's check in some more cards, what they think about you. Nothingness is over here. Two more cards we need. They are hiding. See, they don't have courage to come towards you, darling. They don't have courage. Possibilities. Nothingness is over here. They have suppressed their feelings. They are suppressing since long. They have not shown you their feelings. Exactly what do they feel for you. They always mended this connection with letting go, to go with the flow. Always postponed this connection. But now they want success with you, success in this connection. They want to have a successful relationship with you. They dream about it, but sometimes they become lazy. Just because of laziness, they are avoiding this connection, or avoiding talking to you. Okay, they are tired with their thoughts and their busy schedule. I feel they are busy with their career, so they are thinking, let it go with the flow. They are not so much into you. Previously they were not so much into you, but now they don't have that courage to face you. They didn't had the courage to face you, but now they might come up with possibilities. They feel like there are some possibilities where they can come towards you and express their feelings. See, previously they were like in this suppression feeling. They tied their brains with so much of threads and so much of knots, and they were like just suppressing their thoughts and feelings about you. But you might be dealing with a person whose name starts with P, V, S, A, might be X. V is also strongly present over here. It might be for some of you. What I felt initials like that. This was a channel message. Okay, let's dig into some more cards. I want to check their current energies towards you. What do they feel for you? Okay, let's see their current energies. Librans, I feel they are into you so much that they want to make an offer of love, stability. So they want a successful connection. Within few days only you will get communication from them. If you are not been in contact with them, I feel you will get communication from your person. There are possibilities. Man holding a coin. He is busy with his job, work, career. Maybe his age is 43 or your age is 43, or number 7 is important for you both. Maybe your or your partner's birth date, something like that. 6th chakra, Archangel Metatron. Number 53, Magician and the Mirror. Number 40, 40. Number 4, 7, 8 might be significant for you. It might be your birth date, your age, your partner's birth date, or maybe 40 days previously they might have stopped talking to you. 43 days, 53 days, this might be the situation. Numbers, bottom of the deck we have 16, Patience. You have to have patience with this person because this is your soulmate or twin flame. So you have to have patience with this person to get back into relationship or back into the communication, and that was which was very normal daily talks and all. So you have to have patience with this. The person is manifesting you. You both are manifesting each other. Universe is guiding that person towards you. They are completely clear about the thoughts that they want to be in relationship with you. They want to spend the rest of their life with you. Librans, this is a very positive energy and positive thoughts, that they are so much positive about you. This is the only person whom you are going to get connected and attached to. Okay, so let's check in some. You might receive some message from them. I got a message while reading, so you will also get very soon. Expect communication or messages from them. Let's take guidance from Moonology deck. What universe has to say, or what you must do right now in the coming future. Let's see. A time for healing. You need to take a break and heal yourself. A win-win outcome is forecast. So sweet. A full moon in Libra. See, I feel I don't know exact date of full moon, but the full moon in Libra, coming full moon, you're going to receive a very win-win situation. Okay, the things are turning to be in your favor. They are turning in your favor, and very much happy for you, darling. Very much happy. A new start is coming. Just think, what do you need to release? Have faith in your dreams. Universe is telling you, have faith in your dreams. Bottom of the deck we have faith in your dreams. So yeah, if you want a yes and no session, we will do yes and no session for you. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask your question. Angels will answer your questions. So you recite your question in your mind, and let's see what answers angels have for you. When I'm shuffling the card, please recite your question in your mind. The answer is take action, and the bottom of the deck is ask for help from others. Okay, so you need to take help from someone else, or you need to take some guidance from someone who can help you properly, and you need to take an action after that, not before that. Meditation brings answer is the second bottom card. So yeah, this was your reading, Librans. Check description box before saying bye to this channel. Okay, so yeah, please hit like, share and subscribe button. So, and also press the notification bell, so that you get all the notifications of the videos which I post on my channel. Okay, so yeah, check description box before leaving. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.